Let me show you how to make this refreshing and healthy drink, which is packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All you need for this drink are some apples, fresh spinach, mint leaves, ginger, and then cucumbers. Make sure to wash them very well. And here I am going to cut the cucumbers into small chunks to make it easier for my blender to do the job perfectly. And if you have a juicer, then that is perfect. And do you know spinach provides essential nutrients, cucumber, which also help keep you hydrated. So it is very good for you to try this recipe and you will love it. So why I added the apple is it adds natural sweetness and that is what we want. And I added the mint and ginger to bring a refreshing taste and aroma. So just give yourself a treat and try this recipe and you will love it. So I am going to throw everything into a blender, add water, and I am going to blend until smooth. So after blending, I am going to use my sieve to strain the juice from it because I don't need the fiber. But if you really have a good blender and you want the fiber, just blend it until you're okay with the consistency and serve chilled. But I just wanted the juice without any fiber. So I'm going to do this. So I extract all the juice and then this is what I have. So colorful and refreshing. So I am going to add some ice cubes and mint leaf into my glass and then go in with this refreshing drink and it was so good. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share. Be sure to try this recipe. See you in the next one. Bye.